Good afternoon. I'm Michelle O'Halloran, the CMO of Advisors Academy and Sound Income Strategies, and I'm here to talk to you today about SEO. Recently, we opened up our RIA, recently being a couple of years ago, and we did once and done SEO during that time. Really didn't pay that much attention to it because we were working through our advisors at the time and didn't plan to face the consumer for quite a while yet. However, about 8 months ago, I realized we're getting closer to launching what we want to launch at Sound Income Strategies, and I need to see how our SEO is doing. I hired the James R. Whalen agency and didn't think of it again for another 3 to 4 months. Of course, I'm sort of a show me person. At that time, I thought of it again and said, I want to see the results. I don't want to have somebody call me, put me on a phone, tell me what great work they're doing or the activity. I want to see the results. So what they did immediately was they actually sent me a graph, which was wonderful. It looked like absolutely no engagement during the first 6 months, and then it looked like literally the Rock of Gibraltar sprung up in terms of the spike that we received in traffic now coming to the website. More importantly, I'm the one who receives the leads or notification of the leads, and I'm now noticing not only has our traffic increased by 33%, but every single day we're getting some kind of contact on our website from someone who's gone on the website because of SEO, picked up our white paper, and now wants to engage with one of our advisors. So I cannot thank the James R. Whalen Agency enough. I continue with SEO, and I'm hoping to get our other advisors involved in it too, because the results are solid. Thanks so much. Michelle O'Halloran.